Hey friends, this is Rowan from Optimize Effects and welcome to another video. I do apologize for the lateness of this video. It has been over a month since I've put one out. However, this one is going to be a cracker. What I've got in store for all of you today is an amalgamation of EAs that I've just started testing. There are 10 terminals. I've got 10, that's right, 10. Now this every time I set up something like this, it takes hours. And the reason why it takes hours is because, you know, I've got to decide what robots to test, and then you've got to get all the accounts, all the demo accounts, and install all the stuff and things. So, you know, it does take a couple of hours of work to get all this set up. So I do appreciate everyone's effort and input. And but if you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the like icon on the video. It really helps with the channel. Right, so before I get into all of this, just a quick little thing. Now, I've noticed in Telegram there have been some scammers, unfortunately, that are joining the main Telegram group. And you know, I'll do my best to get rid of them and make sure that they don't appear, but they do. So, but if they do, just let me know or report them, and I'll remove them. Now, because of this, and it's unfortunate that I've had to do this. I didn't want to have to do this, but I feel as if that you know, some people that join, they just sit there and they just wait for like the golden egg, or you know, the golden goose to lay a golden egg, and something will land in their lap without any work, and they'll just go ahead and make a whole heap of money. Now, that is not the case. It doesn't work like that. I did create the channel to help people make money using algorithmic trading robots and work out what are the best ones and what are not the best ones, and ones to avoid. And I've been able to do that really well for like 2 years. But unfortunately, it's come to a point where people are just joining the group and not contributing, and just taking everything that I do and just posting it somewhere else and do all that. So, because of that, I've decided to create a close friends group. Now, you might have seen the last post that I've done in the group. If you're active, there are over 200 people in there, but only seems to be like maybe 5 that actually talk. So I don't know what the other 195 of you are doing, but yeah, it'd be nice to see some activity in there, see what you're up to, what you're testing, what's working, what's not working. You know, we're all here to share. I've been actively sharing in there lately. But yeah, but all the people that do, you know, this is obviously not aimed at you at all. But yeah, just be nice to see a bit more activity in the group. And because of that, I've created a close friends group. Now, the close friends group is invite only. It's a private group. And if you want to get access to that, you need to show that you're an active participant in the main group. And if you're not, I can see your message history. I can see how many messages that you've put through. I can see how active you've been. So don't bother asking me to join the close friends group if you've not been active in the main group. Like, I'm just not going to let you in. So just putting that out there. I can see everything that you do. I can see all the messages. There is a search function in there that, you know, other people can use too, and can see all the stuff. So just thought I'd just get that out of the way. Now, something new that I've been working on for the last couple of months. It has been a really tricky project, and the trickiest part of the project is getting all the data. Now, the project is it's an application that will work similarly to my FX Book and FX Blue. You will notice that they use, well, my FX Blue, for instance, uses a robot that you attach to your chart, and it will send data through to this platform and give you like a portfolio. So this is the kind of thing that I'm working on. The other one is my FX Book. Now, it does it a little bit differently. For those of you that do know of these things, you know, we'll get there eventually. My FX Book. Now, my FX Book, it it enables you to connect your account to their platform using a username and a password, but the password's an investor password. It's not your main one. Now, an investor password, for those that don't know, you can set that up in the MQL4 terminal, and it just enables read access of your account. Now, there's no, you can't, anyone with that can't place any trades or anything, so your account is protected. Now, how they do it is that they allow you to connect your account via a username and an investor password, and I'd like to do that with my platform. So basically, the long story short version of this is that if anyone knows how to do this, my stack is Next.js, Supabase, and obviously MQL4 and 5. I'd really like to get that part done. I've almost got it done. I've done it with an EA, so I've built an EA that is a publisher, much like how FX Blue works. It's not perfect, and I need to work out, the best way to do it. So if anyone is, knowledgeable of this, MQL4 and 5, and getting data from the platform to a database to then be able to create a portfolio, please comment in the link down below, or you can send an email to me at optimizefx@gmail.com, and I'd be very interested in having a chat and working out how I can do that, because I'd like to build this platform not only for myself but for all of you to use. So that's the go there. Now, I've already built it, kind of thing, but it's not obviously finished. I just need to get all of that kind of stuff done. So, and then I'll release it in a future video, hopefully down the track this year. Now, the second half of that is to, second half of the goal of that is to enable copy trading. Now, if you've got a portfolio that is going well, or you'd like to make a side income off that portfolio, the idea is that you can let other people copy you, obviously, with risk disclosure, and you can make a little bit of, you can decide on the profit split kind of thing of what they make off your trades. So that's kind of the second half of this project, but that's kind of the idea there. Now, for all that out of the way, if you're still with me, let's have a look at what I've got in store for you all today. Now, today, or yesterday actually, I set all of this up basically not last night. Anyway, Thursday night. So these have only been going for one day, literally one day. Now, I've got 10 robots, and the first one I'm going to be looking at right now is EA Pewira. This is a free robot. If you search for EA Pewira, you can find the website for this. I've mentioned this in previous videos, but if you're new, and this is free, you can get this. I've got version 2, and I'm running it on gold on the M5 time frame, and we're going to see how it goes. So now it's made $36 on $1,000 in the last 24 hours, but the drawdown is 42%. So I think I might need to have a look at spacing the trades out for this robot on this broker, because just remember, there are 3-digit and 2-digit brokers, and this one's a 2-digit broker, so we might need to space out the trades on this when it goes into drawdown. So this, it says time frame M1 balance 100k. That is correct, probably with a 2-digit broker, but we'll have a look at this so we can get it so it's not so crazy. I'll need to have a look at the settings on how to do that, but it's made $36, but a drawdown of 42% is just definitely not okay. So I'll have a look at the next one. So this one I had going in a test, but the license expired. This one's called Pip Club V2. I think I've shared that in the group, but we'll see how it goes. I've only got it trading on gold, Euro USD, and GU, and maybe GJ. Yes, and it's made $43, but I don't know what the drawdown it doesn't really say there. I don't know what the drawdown was, max drawdown on these. So what I can do, you know, what I will be able to do in the future is connect these up to my platform, and we'll be able to see all of those stats, which would be really cool. But I'm not there yet. Right, so yeah, it's made $43 from a, you know, all these started at $1,000, by the way. It's made $43 overnight, so in one day, with all of those, and it's currently $35 in drawdown. NFX, this wasn't on $1,000. This is probably one of the only one. It's a reuse of an old account, and it hasn't done any trades since that day, so I might actually remove this. I can't remember it being a good robot. And a new one, we've got Starlight EA. So many thanks to the person, you know who you are, who shared this one with me, and we're going to see if we can get it better. I've found it a bit up and down, but we'll see how it goes. I've got it on many instruments here right now. So I've got UJ, GJ, AD New Zealand, GU, AU, EU, all of those, and it's made $7. This is all based on, you know, 0.01. It's all on a stable setting. So we'll see how it goes. It's only been one day. Now this one was a brand new one that I saw in another group, Volvox Trader. It's trades on gold at H1 time frame. From what I can see, it's kind of like a hedging robot. I haven't seen what happens to it in a big gold move. However, somehow it's made $100 in one day. So I have no idea what all of this is meant to be. I think it's probably meant to be Russian, but so I think this is like the trade history or the days. So it made $31 on the Thursday afternoon. You know, I put on Thursday and all Friday, so 31 and then 77. Crazy. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about this just yet. It's too early to tell. It might be too aggressive for $1,000, because, you know, $100 in 1.5 days, not even, is pretty crazy. You know, that's like over 10%. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Next one, we have Range Breakout. I'm going to remove this. It just doesn't trade very well anymore for some reason. It kind of did have good days, but, you know, it's closing things at losses, and yes, it's not going good. So I'm going to replace this. Any recommendations for that? Comment down below. Next one, we have Market Reversal Alerts version 4.4. This is a set that's looking at the H1 time frame and takes entries on M5. In my previous test, it actually does go quite well. This is running on 28 pairs, by the way, and it's made $4 in the day. It doesn't trade very often. You'll probably get maybe 10 trades if you're lucky a week, but we'll see what happens with it over the week that's coming. And last but not least, this is a new one. This one, I don't think it trades on auto. So basically it's a recovery manager, but it's an auto recovery manager. From what I can see, it doesn't trade automatically. You have to open a trade, and if it goes the wrong way, it will recover it for you. But so what I did was I opened I think that was a sell. Oh, it's got EU. What's this? Oh, it is EU. Sorry, maybe I did open a buy on EU and then it sold both. I don't know. But anyway, it's made 73 cents, and I'm not too sure how this one exactly works just yet, but we'll see. I think it just trades, you open the position and it recovers it for you as it goes. So yeah, if you're still with us, thank you very much for watching the whole video. I'll have another update on all of these in the coming week. If you've got that information on getting data out of the broker, that'd be absolutely freaking amazing. Yeah, get a hold of me on Telegram or via email. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to doing another video for you all next week with an update of all of these robots. And yeah, I'll see you in the chat. Bye bye.